Hey everyone, so today we're going to be unboxing the ION Pathfinder 2. So this one's got bass boost. So let's get it open. Okay, let's get it open. Okay, so let's get this open. We open the box, we have the microphone right here and the cable that we use to charge the unit. So quick start guide and maybe some warranty. And we have the unit right here. Oh! That worked out perfectly. Alright, so this is the ION Pathfinder 2. They have a blue version, which is the one that we got, and also a red version. And pretty much the only differences are like the colors in the inside of the handles on both sides, and the blue here on the near the dial. So if you've seen our review of the Pathfinder 1 or own the Pathfinder 1, the Pathfinder 2 is basically pretty much everything that the Pathfinder 1 is, except that they added this bass boost, the deep cup holders, and these little color accents here on the handles and on the dial. The Pathfinder 1 already did have really good bass, but with this bass boost, I'm interested to see how boosted this bass actually is. But we'll get to that later. Alright, so let's get into the features of the Pathfinder 2. So of course it comes with the microphone and the charging cable here. Alright, so let's turn on the Pathfinder 2 and see if it has a charge like the Pathfinder 1. And there you go, it has a full battery of charge. So let's get right into the radio. See if so yeah, the radio works. Got FM 1, FM 2, AM, and off. So you can obviously change the radio station by hitting the arrow buttons right here. Okay, let's save a station. So what you do, save a station, is you just hold down one of the 5 numbers here. Hold it down and it'll say it was saved, and now you can just go back and forth and go to your save station. Alright, so we're gonna demo the lights here. If you press it once, you have the regular white light. You hit it second time, it kind of like fades in and out of colors. So right now it's green, now it's blue, and so on. Hit it one more time and it'll be reactive to the music that you're playing. So just like that. It's reacting to the music right now. And it'll change color as long as there's music playing. So that's the lights. Okay, now we're gonna go into Bluetooth connectivity. So I'm gonna turn on the Bluetooth on my phone and have my phone find the Pathfinder 2. My phone found the Pathfinder 2, so we just pair it up with my phone. And now that it's paired, I can go down to music and then let's try to play a song here. Oh. That's not Switchfoot, so maybe I have to press it, hold it down maybe, or turn off the radio. There you go. Yep, that's a thing you have to know. You make sure you turn off the radio before you play your Bluetooth. So there you go. Now it's playing the song from my phone. Like the Pathfinder 1, you can control the music from the unit itself by pressing right. It'll go to the next song, or you can control it from your phone, like so. You can kind of just swipe through your songs from your phone, or you can just go left and right, next and previous from the unit itself. Oh, play and pause also. So there's and then like so. So that's really cool that they kept that feature. Now I'm gonna play some music, play it for a while, and then press the bass boost button right here and see how much this really boosts the bass. I'm just gonna kind of turn off the bass boost, like put it on and off, and try to see if you can hear a difference. So yeah, I'm gonna play it.
Turn it up so I can feel it. Turn it up so I can be near it. Baby says she's got that feeling. Moonwalking on the ceiling. It's alright. It's alright. It's alright.
I don't know if you guys can hear that, but from where we are right now, whenever the bass boost was on, there's a significant difference in the sound of the bass. It's more like boomy and it's very boosted. Yeah, I can say that this bass boost really works. And yeah, you might need to wear earphones to hear it, but from where we're standing right now, bass sounds really good. Alright, so now we're gonna try a hip hop song, and yeah, let's go test it out right now.
And who you is, homie, and what it is, homie. Why don't you go ahead and make some of that fun? Now I've been rapping and speaking in Puerto Rican for deacons and people freaking in clubs, but it's the love that I'm seeking. 11 years in the weekend in the making, I'm taking beatings, forsaken by faking Caucasians, Jamaicans, and even.
Well, yeah. Anyways, you can tell that there is a difference when you add that bass boost, and without it, there's a huge difference. That bass is really shines. All right, so now we're gonna do a little bit old school songs. So here we go.
There was a time in my life when I opened my eyes and there you were. You were.
So yeah, I don't know if you guys can tell, but with that bass boost on, you can really tell the difference between the regular and with it on. Although the bass is really, this bass boost really works. It's not like window shaking and won't like shake your house or anything. It definitely makes the music low end really sound good. So let's just get on to these other ports here. So in this one we have the mic, auxiliary in, and the linking one where you can link up to 2 speakers together so they can connect together and you can play music from both of them. And it's cool that they have these covers here because this unit is water resistant, so this helps with the whole water resistance-ness and dust resistant also. So this side you have the charging USB cable or USB ports here for charging your phone or whatever you want to charge here. So that's really nice. And this one also has a cover to protect from water and dust and all that. And on top we have the telescoping handle, just like the first unit, the Pathfinder 1. And on the back here, this is where you charge the unit. You just plug in this part right here and plug it into the wall. Pretty self-explanatory. And of course has the wheels at the bottom for rolling. The 2 newest features on here and the biggest features here are the bass boost and these cup holders. These cup holders are a great addition because you can hold your Bragg's organic apple cider vinegar on top, and also some, sriracha is great for all occasions. You can put it on everything, and also some cheese. It's perfect area for some cheese, but you can't really stay in because there's not really much of a dip here. It's kind of just like that. It can easily fall out, but if so, put your cheese in the cup holder. It can't move now, but you just can't put your sriracha. Maybe move your apple cider vinegar, and maybe you can even put your knife in here, but it's quite not gonna fit. Maybe like that. But anyways, yeah, those are the 2 great and newest features. Oh, maybe your phone. Yeah, maybe your phone. Alright, so this is all the features of the ION Pathfinder 2, but the 2 biggest new additions to this would be the bass boost and these 2 cup holders up on top, and of course these little blue accents here. Is it worth it to upgrade to a Pathfinder 2 if you have a Pathfinder 1? That depends on you, because if you're all about sound quality and having heavy bass in the music you listen to, then yeah, this is a pretty good upgrade. These cup holders, I think is just overall just more useful. The Pathfinder 1 didn't have these cup holders. It's just kind of this flat area where you could put stuff, but it kind of felt like there's something missing. But with the addition of these cup holders, especially if you like taking this out to like the park or the beach or something, this can be really useful. You can put your phone in there if you want to, and play music from your phone, but then you leave it on here. I think that's just a a great addition and a very logical decision to add these cup holders. But overall, if you had the Pathfinder 1, Pathfinder 2, if you love sound quality, yeah, definitely get it for the bass boost. And you know, these cup holders are just a little extra. And if you like different color in your speakers, this one's blue and you also have a red version. Yeah, I guess pick it up if you like that kind of stuff. But yeah, so this is the Pathfinder 2. It's everything the Pathfinder 1 is, but of course with the added bass boost, the cup holders, and the different colors on the handles. Pretty much the same thing, but yeah, so this is it. If you like this video of the Pathfinder 2, just give us a like and give us a share for anybody who might find this video useful. Subscribe also if you guys like these kind of unboxings. And click the link in the description for the review of the Pathfinder 1 we did not too long ago, if you want to see and compare between this one and the first one. And thank you guys for watching, and we'll catch you later.